Hello everyone, welcome to 4 Dimension Infotech. In this series, we are going to learn about the core Java from the beginning in the simplest and most practical way. Whether you are a student or a job seeker, this series is for you. In this session, we will learn about the core Java syllabus. Module 1. In Module 1, we have to learn about the Java basic. In Java basic, first point is introduction to Java. Next is features of Java. Third is setting up to Java environment, that is the installation. Third is JVM, JDK, JRE. In this sentence, we have to learn about the JVM architectures, basic syntax, keywords, data types and variable. In data types, there will be also two types, primitive data types and non-primitive data types. And last is the operator and expression. Next is module 2. In module 2, we have to learn about the control statement. In control statement, there is the decision making. In decision making, we have to learn about if else, switch statement. Next is loop. In loop, we have to learn about for loop, while loop and do while loop. Next, break, continue, return statement. These are the keywords. Break and continue, these are the keywords. Nested control structures. All these points comes into the module 2, that is control statement. Next is module 3. In module 3, we have to learn about the object oriented programming, that is OOPS. First, here we have to say about the classes and object, that is what is class, what is object, what is constructor, and there are the 4 pillars of the OOPS. 4 pillars, these are inheritance, polymorphisms, abstraction and encapsulation. In that modules, we have to learn about the 2 keywords, that is this and super. Module 4. In module 4, we have to learn about arrays and string. First is single and multi-dimensional array. It is also called as 1D array and 2D array. Second is enhanced for loop. Next, string class, string builder and string buffer. Next, string manipulation methods. These are points comes into the module 4, that is arrays and string. This is module 5. In module 5, we have to learn about the exception handling. In exception handling, try, catch, finally, these are the keywords. Throw and throws, also the keywords comes into the exception handling. Next is multiple catch blocks, nested try and custom exception. These are points we will see in the exception handling. In module 6, we have to learn about the packages and access modifiers. So there will be the built-in packages, that is java.util.package and java.io packages. Next, user-defined packages, importing packages, access specifiers like public, private, protected and default. Next, module 7. In module 7, we have to learn about the interfaces and abstract classes. Here we will see about the interfaces declaration and implementations. Next, abstract classes, multiple inheritance via the interfaces, differences between the interface and abstract class. Next is module 8. In module 8, we have to learn about the collection frameworks. In collection framework, first is collection interface. In list, we will see that array list, linked list, inset, hash set, tree set, map. We have to learn about hash map, iterator, comparable and comparator. Next, module 9. In module 9, we have to learning about multi-threading. In that points, there will be the thread class, runnable interface, thread life cycle, thread priorities, synchronization and inter-thread communications. And last module is module 10, that is file handling. In file handling, we have to learn about file reader, file writer, buffer writer, serialization and deserialization, reading and writing files. Next is the project. During these sessions, we will learn 2 mini projects using the core Java. So see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding and keep learning.